How to fix server connection failed error in Marvel Rivals. Now, as you can see, this is the problem. Now, first we need to check the server status. Now open Chrome, and as you can see, write Marvel Rivals status server. Now try to find their Twitter account. Now after you find it, just click on it. Now, as you can see, make sure you open their Twitter account and see if they announce anything related to maintenance or server maintenance issues. If you find something like that, you need to wait until they fix the issue. If everything is fine, you need to follow these steps to fix your problem. Now, the other solution is by disabling your Wi-Fi and make your laptop use Ethernet. So if you have the cable of Ethernet, just plug it in your PC or laptop to be able to connect your PC to Ethernet directly, and go and disable your Wi-Fi to make or to force your laptop to connect to the Ethernet directly. Now if this solution not working, now what we need to do is by going and opening taskbar or task manager. Now we need to exit this Steam. As you can see, go to, and if you don't find it here, it means that your Steam is you exit the Steam. Now go and try to open the Steam as administrator, right click on it. Now after that, open the Steam or run as administrator. Now as you can see, click in yes. Now after a few seconds, the Steam software, it will open it. Now after that, go to library, and from the sidebar click on your game and play the game. So this is how to fix server connection failed error in Marvel Rivals. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.